Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our session of design of steel structures. So this session is about the solution for our quiz that we did last time, and this is about the design of tension members. So let's solve. We have here, select the lightest W10 section available to support a working tensile death load. Okay, we have a dead load of 120 kips, a live load of 250 kips, and then the members to be 20 foot long, 20 feet, and then assume to have two lines of holes in each flange. So kung that is a W shape, this is assuming this is a top view of our section, center line ng web. So we have two lines of holes, okay, in each flange. Tapos at least three holes in each line. So one, two, three, two, three. So for each flange, ganito yung itsura niya. And then dito, this will be 3 inches, 3 inches. So ito yung top view niya. So kung sa cross section, this is pwedeng itsura ng W flange natin. Meron daw siya 2 lines dito na ball. And the side view niya can be like this. Of course, not to scale yung ating ano, this is 3 inches. Okay. And then we have diameter of bolts. So given sa diameter of bolts, okay, gawin natin itong yan, is 3/4 inch, and then LRFD. So assuming I think we used A992 steel, ano? So for A992 steel, so A992, so we have Fy is equals to 50 KSI, then Fu is equals to 65 KSI. Alright, so yan. So we need to select a W10 shape. So first na gagawin natin is to calculate for our PU. Okay? So LRFD, correct? So PU for ultimate load natin, 1.2D plus 1.6L, that is 1.2 times 120 kips plus 1.6 times 250 kips. Okay, so 1.2 times 120 plus 1.6 times 250, that is 544. 544 kips for PU. Okay, and for number second, let's calculate our uh, criterion sa pag-select ng tile section, AG design, tsaka yung R minimum natin. Minimum. So we have AG design supposed to PU lower minimum between 0.9 of Fy and 0.75 squared of Fe. Okay, so substituting, so that's this 544. Okay, for a while. Substituting the value. So we have 544. Okay, so lower. The smaller between the two, you can check zero point 0.9 of Fy. That is a calculator, no? 0.950 minus 0.75 square of 65. That's also a positive number. Pag positive, it means yung second choice yung much smaller sa kanya. So, 0.75 squared of FU KSI. So, AG decide that is 544 over 0.75 squared times 65. That is 14.879 inches squared. Okay. Then for our minimum, we have L over 300. So we have a length of 20 feet times, convert natin sa inches, 1 foot, 12 inches over 300, 20 times 12 over 300. That is 0.8. So 0.8. Okay, ito yung dalawang criteria ang gagamitin natin to select our section. So 14.879, yun yung kailangan natin hanapin. Ano? So looking at our shapes for W, yeah. So W10 is here. Okay, start tayo dito. Starting dito sa bottom. Okay, that is 14.689. So dapat more than 879. So area is the second column. So 14, unang value na 14.8 lalampas sa 14.869 is W10 by 54, which have a value of 15.8. Okay, so and, and dito. Okay, so AG is 15.8. Our Y natin is 2.56. So try W10 by 54. AG is 15.8 inches squared, and RZ is equal to, the value is, RY rather, RY 2.56 inch. Okay, so try natin using net section yielding muna, NSR. So we have, VPN is equals to 0.75 FU E, and we know na si AE equals sa U times AN. For AN, that is AG minus NB DET. Okay, AG natin is 15.8 just squared minus number of bolts. So kapag may tensile load tayo, ito yung top view, you will flash your light dito. Then ito yung mag-illuminate, meaning dito magpapass through yung ating rupture. So that is 2 sa upper flange and then another 2 sa lower flange. Okay, so total of 4. Then we have diameter of bolts at 3/4 plus 1/8 times thickness of flange. So wala pa yung thickness of flange natin. So let's check the thickness of flange for section. Thickness of flange, we have a value of 0.615. Okay, so 0.61. 5 inch. Okay, AN is equals to 15.8 minus 4, 3/4 plus 1/8 times 0.615. That is 13.648 inches squared. Okay, that is our net area. Now let's have uh, our shear lag factor in another sheet. So shear lag factor natin. Okay. So since flanges lang ang nakakonect, according to our table dito, if only some, we have case 2, and then for W shape, we have case 7. Okay? So we have 3 or more fasteners sa flange. So ito yung ating criteria kailangan. So check natin yung width ng flange saka depth. Okay, so yung 2 muna, U2, so 1 minus X code over L code. Pero remember, when talking about wide flange, special case natin is to look for its equivalent WT shape. So titingnan na natin si WT. Si 10 is 5 by 27. So para maging 54. Okay? Looking at WT shape, okay, this is our WT shape. So hanapin natin si 5 by 27. 5 by, yes, 5 by 27. So 5 by 27 is this one. Also this. Okay. So, okay, kailangan natin is ito yung connecting face natin, the flange, and then yung distance sa center niya. So that is actually bar Y. So bar Y ang kailangan natin. Bar Y is 0.836. 0.836. So 1 bar Y 0.836 inch. So we have 1 minus 0.836 inch over L ko natin is the outer or the center to center distance of the outer bolts. So ito yun. That is total of 6. Okay, total of 6 inches. So U2 was to 1 minus 0.836 over 6. That is 0.861. Okay. And then we have another one, yung according to case 8, U8 natin. So kailangan natin ng value ng width ng flange and 2/3 ng depth. Okay. Width and depth. So let's check. For width ng flange, so we have width of flange is 10, BF is 10, then depth is 10.1. So 10.0, then 2/3 of 10.1. So automatic that will be lesser, no? So BF is greater than 2/3 ng D. Then looking at our table again, it means na ito yung na-satisfy natin. So that is equals to 0.9. Okay? So this is U8 is equals to 0.9. And according to the code, if case 2 was used to calculate U, yung larger value will govern. So larger value natin is si 0.9. So siya yung mag-govern. Okay, so ang U natin is equals to 0.9. Okay, so now we can now calculate our PN. Okay, so PN again is 0.75 FU and AE. So we have 0.75. FU is 65 kip per inches squared. AE, so yung U natin is 0.9. And AN natin from our previous calculation is 13.648. 13.648. Okay. 0.75 times 65 times 0.9 times 13.648. That is equals to 598.806 kips, which is comparing with our PU with value of 544, that is greater than, therefore okay. So safe tayo for that section rupture. Okay. Next for GSY, so check pa din natin syempre. So 0.9 FY AG. So 0.9 FY is 50 KSI, and area gross natin is 15.8. Okay, VPN 0.950 times 15.8, 711 kips greater than sa PU, therefore okay. Okay, then yung slenderness din, check natin. So L over R. So R natin is yung smaller syempre. So that is 20 feet times 12 inch per foot divided by the calculated RY we have is 2.56 inch. So this is 20 times 12 divided 2.56. That is 93, no? 0.75. So that is less than 300. Therefore, okay. And then, so mag-govern natin is of course CNET section rupture yung governing ano. Okay, so therefore, use W10 by 54 with VPN is equals to 598.806 kips. Tapos check din natin ang efficiency niya. So comparing PU over VPN times 100. So 544 kips, 598.806 kips times 100. Efficiency natin is 598.806 times 100. That is 90.85. So not bad for our section, ano, for W10 section. Okay? So siya na din yung smallest kasi kapag larger pa yung ginawa natin, mas malaki yung capacity niya. So definitely it will be much stronger. Pero ito na yung pinaka-economical na value ng W10 that can carry our given loading. Alright? Okay.